No?
No,
What's PR?
2:01:65.
Okay. All right, cool.
Yeah, so I felt relaxed.
All right. So you're through there to the next round.
Yep.
Talk about that race out there. There was a little falling. I don't know where you were in
Yeah,
reference to that, but
I heard it. I think I was right in front of it. I just felt strong, you know, and I was just trying to stay with the pack and the leaders. Alyssa took it out a little bit, and I was like just gonna hang out with the next group, and knew they were gonna be fast. I think it's Michelle Mackey. Knew she's gonna go fast. I mean, she's NCAA champion, so I was excited to have her there too, and just kind of waiting for her to make her move. And when she did, I just kind of went when she went, and knew that I needed to be top 3 to get in, so that was my goal.
can you give us a little rundown of just kind of your past? I mean, you're one of the names we saw there. We're like, all right, Lionheart, who's that?
Yeah. Well, I was actually at the University of Florida, and I ran in 05 or 06 there, and made the USA junior team out in Beijing, and so then I had 4 stress fractures within a 2-year period, and so just going through those injuries, I transferred to the University of Missouri, where I'm from, and had a good experience there also. So once I got there, I kind of ran around 2:04. Then I graduated, started my PhD program, so just kind of learning and running, training. Big River Running Company sponsors me, so they've been huge help. Having them there, having the Department of Special Education there also. I mean, I have my professors wishing me good luck, let me miss some big conferences and things like that to be here training and be competing. So it's kind of really what I've been doing. And
who you train with and who coaches you?
Ben Rosario, he's with Macmillan Elite right now, but he coaches me online. I train by myself. I'm kind of a mooch. I train with whoever wants to run with me. So I got this guy, he's an engineer. He's not good enough to be like a college runner, but he'll come out, likes to challenge himself. So he's been a big help. So that's kind of what I've got going on.
What about the next round? Any thoughts? You thought that far ahead?
Yeah, you know, I hadn't until just now. So one round at a time, and pretty excited. Just we'll see what I got. You know, this is why they run the races. You know, to see who can get in, and so that's my #1 goal is to be an Olympian. So
good job.
Thanks.